How to make screen mirrored iPhone to Mac. Screen mirroring your iPhone to Mac is simple and can be done using iPhone mirroring. So let's get started. First of all, open your Mac, then simply tap on the Launchpad option available there. Once inside the Launchpad, look for the iPhone mirroring app available there and simply tap on it. Also, make sure that your iPhone and Mac have the same Apple ID and both of them are using the same Wi-Fi and both of them have the Bluetooth enabled. After all this, simply tap on the continue option available there and follow the on-screen instructions to proceed. Now you'll have to enter passwords on your iPhone, and once you enter the passcode of your iPhone, tap on the next or continue option available there and start with iPhone mirroring. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.